here.
Good morning, welcome to Milos. We arrived yesterday from Athens to Milos. Yesterday while we were walking around the port, we ended up booking a boat tour, and today we are going on a boat, probably one of these boats, and we are going around the island. We are going to the places usually you cannot go by car. Some of the beaches we are going to visit today is only accessible by boat. So now we are going to see which one is our boat and start our boat today.
We should take off our shoes before going on board.
What you see behind me is just a small village with one house, and there is just one guy living there, and to get there you only need a boat, nothing else, because there is no other way to go there, and there is no electricity, no water, nothing, no internet. So if you wanna come here, just get the boat and visit the guy. This small fishing village is called Kelima, and it is known for its colorful doors. Some people believe that in the past the fishermen used to get drunk and they painted their doors in different colors so they knew where to go during the night. But others say that they were poor and didn't have enough money to paint their doors the same color. No one really knows which story is true, so you can believe the one you like the most. Look at this rock and tell me what you see. I first thought the rock looked like a rabbit, but I was wrong. This is the famous bear rock, the protector of Milos Island. It's actually rainy and it's not very warm. It's cold, but we are here once in Milos, so let's go for a swim.
The brave one first.
Let's go. If someone needs help, we can push them out.
No, I don't need a push.
Very cold, but why now we are here? We have to do probably not for very long. Because the body's gonna give up after a while.
I jumped in the water. I felt so freezing cold, but now I kind of got used to it. Swimming was fun. I didn't feel cold a lot, but now after swimming, because the boat is moving and there is no sign of sunshine, so it's a bit cold, and I wrap myself into a blanket. Kleftiko is the main reason that we took this boat trip, and it's the perfect place to swim when it's sunny. Oh, the sun is a bit coming out, but at the same time it's rainy. But we jumped to the water, it was cold. Bruno usually doesn't jump to the water because he doesn't like a cold water, but I'm so proud of him. He did it. I don't know if we are going to jump here or not. I'm just waiting for the sunshine, but we are going to take a speedboat and go through the cave and have a better view. But for now it's just like waiting for the sun. Finger crossed. Kleftiko is known for its beautiful caves, and it used to be a pirate hideout, but nowadays it's a popular tourist destination. See you later! Yeah. It's very peaceful here. Like, and we are with the group of people and they are really lovely. It's good to just talk to strangers and make friends. It's nice.
We are now about to have some lunch here on the boat after taking the speedboat and visiting the caves around here. So yeah, it was quite a nice time. And the weather now is good, so it's not that cold like before. It's quite enjoyable.
I guess the boat stopped here, so we can go for a swim. I don't know if anyone is up for a swim. It's really cold and we just got dry. Since we're not going for a swim, we are going for a boat trip again, like a small boat trip to the cave. Sikya is the largest cave and probably the most beautiful one in Milos. It is only accessible by small boats. It has been carved out of volcanic rock over thousands of years. The roof collapsed and made this cave pretty unique and special. I don't know how I decided to go to the water again, but I'm just warming up to jump to the water again. Oh yeah, are we the brave one?
Yes, we are. Let's go, go, go.
Yeah, we are the brave one. Yes. Bye, Bruno.
See ya.
It's so cool.
Hey, babe.
We are going to feed the seagull. Now I feel warm. Oh, I don't know how I can get dry again. There is no sun and my towels are wet.
Back to all the memories.
It was a really lovely tour and we have done a lot of tours around the world, but this one was like top of everything. Like, you know, It met all of our expectation and exceeded our expectation. The crew were fantastic. The tour was so lovely. I will put the link below. You can book the same tour if you want. And for now, I'm going to end the vlog here and see you in the next video.